Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell for all post notifications. If you're returning, welcome back. So to make our Nutella, you're going to start with 2 cups of hazelnuts and put it in your food processor. And then you're going to blend that until it becomes a very smooth, buttery consistency. Now during the process, you're going to have to stop the blending and scrape down the sides. You'll probably have to do that a few times, and you're going to do this until it becomes a smooth consistency. So here you see, guys, I have already added my cacao, maple syrup, a little bit of monk fruit, vanilla flavoring, water, and sea salt. And it is so Nutella, silky, smooth like you would not believe. And there it is. Doesn't it look just like Nutella spread? Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.